Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Instant Pot lid is probably one of the most versatile and essential kitchen accessories for anyone looking to maximize the functionality of their Instant Pot, transforming it from a simple pressure cooker into a multi-cooker powerhouse capable of sautéing, slow cooking, and even baking, all with the convenience of a single appliance, making meal preparation faster, easier, and more enjoyable for busy home cooks. Number 5. Instant Pot Silicone Lid, 9.8 inch. Introducing a premium 9.8 inch silicone lid, designed for your cooking needs. It provides a tight and safe cover for all your food handling, perfect for transporting or storing leftovers. Saving food for tomorrow is easy. Just place this lid on your compatible pot, and it creates an airtight and watertight seal to protect your food from spills. This is a genuine accessory designed specifically for 5 or 6 quart Instant Pot models. It's a verified accessory for your multi-use pressure cooker. Cleaning is a breeze as this lid is dishwasher safe. Its high-quality silicone construction makes it a reliable and essential kitchen accessory. Discover amazing new recipes with the free Instant Brands Connect app, find quick favorites and prepare delicious meals easily, available on iOS and Android. What we like? This lid offers a perfect airtight seal for leftovers. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you're looking for a convenient way to store food and simplify cleanup, you should consider this. What people say. It fit my 3QT Duo Mini inner pot perfectly. The lid did not come off. It didn't leak. Nothing. That was really reassuring because it suggests it is a tight seal and won't come off if one accidentally drops a pot with the lid securely on. The hot water test demonstrated that the lid can withstand quite a bit of internal pressure before it loses its seal. It also demonstrated the lid likely won't come off explosively, risking boiling contents splashing onto someone near. Fits perfectly and allows me to store food inside my Instapot container directly in the refrigerator. I mostly use this for yogurt so that the yogurt can solidify better as it cools without having to disturb it by transferring it to a different container first. Number 4. Instant Pot 6QT Stainless Steel Inner Cooking Pot. Introducing the premium quality stainless steel inner cooking pot. It's designed for durability and features a mirror-polished surface for easier cooking and cleaning. This 6-quart pot is compatible with a variety of 6QT Instant Pot models, including Duo Plus, Duo Viva, Duo Nova, and Duo Crisp AF. It's a verified accessory for your appliance. Crafted from durable, premium quality 304 stainless steel with rolled edges, this pot is built to last. The tri-ply bottom ensures even heating for perfect results every time. It includes maximum fill line markings for safe pressure cooking. This pot holds up to 6 portions, making it ideal for growing families, meal prep, and batch cooking. The mirror-polished cooking surface makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. Plus, it resists stains and won't absorb food odors or flavors, keeping your meals tasting fresh. What we like? Crafted from premium stainless steel, this inner pot ensures even heating and resists stains and odors. If you're a meal prepper or have a growing family, you should consider this for its durability and capacity. What people say. Functions good and easy to clean even with sticky food. This is a good quality pot. Nice and solid, and cleans up easily. Also good for storage when you want to refrigerate after food has cooled down and ready to save refrigerated. Number 3. HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 10-quart Stockpot. Meet the HexClad Hybrid 10-quart Stockpot, your new go-to for versatile cooking. Its innovative design makes it perfect for a wide range of culinary tasks. From simmering chili to steaming seafood or even deep frying, this pot handles it all with ease. It's designed to be your ultimate kitchen companion. Experience the best of both worlds with our hybrid technology. It features a laser-etched hexagonal surface for superior searing and effortless cleaning. Enjoy quick, even heating thanks to its tri-ply construction with an aluminum core. It's compatible with all cooktops, including induction, and is metal utensil safe. Cleanup is a breeze as it's dishwasher friendly and oven safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The tempered glass lid is also oven safe, making it incredibly convenient. Rest assured with a lifetime warranty from manufacturer's defects. This ensures you're investing in quality that lasts. What we like? This stockpot features a unique hybrid non-stick surface and is oven safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. If you enjoy versatile cooking, from simmering to deep frying, and want a product backed by a lifetime warranty, you should consider this. What people say. It's obviously well constructed using quality materials, it looks good, conducts heat evenly and cooks well. Nothing ever sticks to them. They are super easy to clean and store. The size is perfect for family meals or meal prepping for the week. 8 quarts gives you plenty of room without being overly bulky. Number 2. IMPRESA 6-quart silicone inner pot lid for Instant Pot. This silicone lid is designed to fit 5 and 6 quart Instant Pot models. It creates a secure seal on your inner pot for better cooking and storage. Crafted from thick, food-grade silicone, this lid is BPA and phthalate-free. It offers a dependable and long-lasting solution for your pressure cooker needs. This versatile lid complements many pressure cooker accessories and fits models like IP, LUX 60 and Smart 60. It enhances the functionality of compatible units. Enjoy easy use and cleaning as it's dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. Its non-stick finish makes handling simple, perfect for busy kitchens. This lid helps retain heat and steam, improving your cooking efficiency. It simplifies meal prep and storage, making it an essential kitchen tool. What we like. This silicone lid is designed to retain steam efficiently for better cooking. It's also dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. If you need a versatile and easy-to-clean lid for your compatible Instant Pot, you should consider this. What people say. It gently locks into place and makes a slightly snug fit on the pot. It does stay in place without retracting back or popping off. While in the refrigerator, we put food dishes on top of the lid and it does not cave in. It's very strong and sturdy and does not expand contract. The lid goes on securely and airtight. The material is very thick and sturdy and should last for a long time. Number 1. Instant Pot 6QT Tempered Glass Lid. Introducing the perfect accessory for your 6-quart multi-cooker. This lid offers a clear view of your food as it cooks, making meal preparation a breeze. Crafted with durable tempered glass and a sturdy stainless steel rim and handle, this lid is built for longevity. It's designed to withstand temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for various cooking methods. Ensure optimal performance with this genuine accessory, specifically designed for all 6-quart Instant Pot models. It's a verified accessory you can trust for all your culinary adventures. The integrated steam vent ensures your food cooks perfectly every time. Use it for slow cooking, sautéing, or browning, and achieve delicious results without lifting the lid. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. This lid is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. It's an essential, durable addition to any kitchen. Easily monitor your cooking progress through the clear tempered glass without releasing heat or steam. This lid is ideal for when you're slow cooking, sautéing, or browning your favorite dishes. What we like. This tempered glass lid allows you to easily monitor your cooking progress. It features a convenient steam vent and is oven safe. If you often sauté or slow cook and want to keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid, you should consider this. What people say. I love that I can see through the lid and see what's inside the pot when it's in the fridge. It's sturdy, well made, and well designed aesthetically. Fits perfectly, easy to clean, seals well, easy to store and to use. This is great. I can see the food as I slow cook or sous vide. Works well. Fits in the dishwasher. It is OEM, 9 inches, and fits my 6QT Duo 67 in 1 Instant Pot like a dream. The convex curve allows for some extra space and breathing room for your food, which is amazing. It is so much better to use when the Instant Pot is in slow cooker mode than the heavy OG lid, and there's no need to stink up a gasket with pulled pork or garlic beef stroganoff. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.